and welcome back to another video. So for today's video guys, I'm going to I'm going to teach you how I come up with this look, and if you want to know how I come up with this Halloween horn MA look, then please keep watching. Keep on watching, bitch! And also, before we start, kindly click this subscription button and the bell beside it so that you'll be notified for every time that I'm going to upload a new video. And also, if you don't want me to hunt you, and if you don't want me to go under your bed, then please keep watching.
And it goes a little something like
I'll keep love you warm all summer, and after fall I'll keep you warm all summer, and after fall I'll keep love.
Alright, so to start, let's just cleanse our face using this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and use a cotton pad to apply it all over your face. After that, I use this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Matte to prep my face. I'm just using it as my facial mist. Not yet done with the prep and priming, after which we're using this Huda Beauty primer, complexion primer, to balance my complexion and to prime my face as well. To cover up with blemishes, I'm using my favorite Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation, using a damp sponge, and voila! I'm done. Then I'm just writing or drawing a circle to put my horns right there. Then we're doing this lifted skin look or lifted skin effect. It's just a mixture of Vaseline and flour. We're trying to achieve this torn skin something effect. So yeah. And this is how it looks like. Actually, we had this dilemma on how we're going to stick that horn, like it won't fall off, because we don't have that liquid latex or something to make that horn stick off, and it's kinda heavy, so yeah, we're having that dilemma, and gladly we made up a solution and we used a lash glue to stick it on. Then I'm using this iMagic 12 color face paint. I'm just using that red color, red paint, and I'm applying it all over my face to start with that demon-like skin.
perfect.
That iMagic face paint is kind of dry for me, so I just added up that Detail Cosmetics illuminating oil so that I can glide it smoothly on my face. So as you can see, I'm just dabbing it on my face to make an even color of that red skin demon MA. Of course, it includes the shoulder and chest part. Now I'm creating this brows, and to be honest, I'm not that happy with these brows because it looks unblended on that inner corner part. And yeah, I'm just making an arch so that I will look more devilish. Then to create this bushy brows effects or something, or just to blend this out, I use the brush. Of course, let's not forget the contour. So I'm using this Sassy Lady or Says Lady contour palette, and I'm using the darkest shade to put the depth back on my face. Actually, I wanted to have this black, but unfortunately I don't have a black matte eyeshadow or something to use it as my contour. I only have shimmer one, so I just use the darkest contour that I have. Also, don't forget to include your temples in contouring, and especially your nose, because yeah, we have that Asian looking nose, and just want to make that illusion. And using this Beauty Glazed palette, I'm using that red shade to intensify the surroundings of that lifted skin.
Perfect.
Then I'm just creating this black smoky eyeshadow. Did the same on the other eye. By the way, I'm using the metallics of Detail Cosmetics, and I'm using that black shade. I think that's Black Hole. Same eyeshadow shade that I am using on the lower lash to make that eye pop a lot more. And we're almost done. I just added that white lens and that fake blood to make it look more gore.